The real problem there was with this truck that all of a sudden it stopped, it quit, it was the... What's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Tiago here. So a quick update on the 96 GMC Sierra 6.5 turbo diesel. As you know, this truck had stopped with me just all of a sudden, and I thought it was the oil pressure sensor in the back, and it wasn't really that problem. The problem that it was, before I get to that problem, I just want to thank you guys for joining our channel. I actually put the subscribe count back into the channel so you guys can see where I'm at. I know I said that I wanted to keep that hidden, but some of you guys want to know where I'm at with my subscriber count. Thank you for subscribing, guys. It means a lot. I started this channel, just wanted to help people. I just want to thank you. If you like, our channel or our videos, like it, that'll help a lot. All right, so back to the truck. So I thought for a minute it was the alternator. I took the alternator out. I took it to 3 places. I took to AutoZone, I took to Auto Advance, and also I took to O'Reilly's. So all of them said it was okay. I just wanted to make sure that the alternator was the problem. As you can see, I have brand new batteries, brand new Walmart batteries. I know they're Walmart, but they're very good batteries, and that wasn't the problem. The batteries was good. I thought it was just a low voltage back on my on the lift pump that's on the back, but that wasn't the problem. The real problem, that what it was with this truck, that all of a sudden it stopped, it quit, it was the PMD here. As you can see, this one right here it's not the same one that it was on the truck on the last video. If you're really looking to the truck, I'll put a video here or something right here so you can see that that's not the same PMD. This is the PMD from my other 6.5. So I took that PMD, I put it over here, and voila, this is the pump module driver, I believe, something like that. The little computer that's under there, it helps. It has like 3 transistors in there that gets very hot, and if it doesn't have the right heat sink over here, it will actually overheat and it won't run your diesel pump over here. So that was my main problem. I didn't think that was, I mean, I had the truck for 3 years. I never had that problem. The PMD always sat over here next to the engine. It was fine. Usually people, they get an extension, like a longer extension, and then they put the PMD in front of the engine somewhere, but that's not what I did. So yeah guys, this is just a quick update on that, on this truck. I appreciate everything that you guys have been doing with the comments. Thank you very much for everything. Make sure you leave your thoughts and comments down below. Put your post notification on, which is that little bell there. I appreciate it, everything that you guys do. Have a good one. Take it easy, and I'll see you guys next time. See you in the next video. Bye.